Hey kids, this is Dr. Taylor from the Lincoln Science Center Planetarium, and this week we're talking about conductors and insulators of heat. Do not forget, on day one, we figured out that metals are good conductors because of the atoms and the molecules that are inside them, right? They are packed tightly together, and that allows them to transfer the energy from one atom to the other. But gases are free. Those molecules are bouncing all over the place like this, and it's very difficult to transfer the energy from one atom all the way over to the next atom, right? Because the molecules are so far apart. Okay, so gases would be considered insulators of heat. So now today, day 2, we're going to be doing an experiment with a conductometer. But before we get started, if you have not copied the data table down into your lab notebook or onto a piece of paper, pause the video, copy it down, and then come back and we will finish the experiment together. All right, welcome back. Do not forget, with this experiment, do not repeat it at home unless under direct parent supervision. All right, so I'm gonna have to turn the camera angle down a little bit so you can see today's experiment. So hold on while we change the angle. You ready? Here we go. All right, so here's a cool instrument, and this is called a conductometer. This is called a conductometer. And we have 5 different types of metal. We have copper, nickel, stainless steel, brass, and aluminum. And what we're going to do is we're going to apply heat to the middle here, and we're going to see which one conducts heat the best. Now the way we're going to do that is, if you might have noticed, you see these little white things on the end of each? That has some wax. We're going to apply heat to the middle, and whichever one conducts heat the best, the wax will melt first. Now, on your data table, there should be something for a hypothesis. Write down your hypothesis about which metal do you think is going to melt the wax first. Which one's going to be the best conductor of heat? Okay, and then rank them first through fifth. Pause the video, make your hypothesis, come back, and we'll finish the experiment. All right, welcome back. So again, we're going to apply heat to the middle, and whichever one melts the wax first is the best conductor of heat. Don't forget, do not repeat this at home. But I got a cool little torch here. Okay, so we're going to cut this on. Well, that's a nice flame, right? But we're going to cut that flame down. I'm going to cut it down. All right, so now we're going to apply the heat to the middle. I want you to see if you can tell, and don't forget about your hypothesis, which one is melting first. Okay, so we have the heat going on to the center. Can you tell which one's melting first? Can y'all tell yet? I can't quite tell yet. That stainless steel one might be a little difficult to tell with a silver background, huh? Okay. Ooh. Okay. Copper melted first. Can y'all see that? When a copper up here, it's gone. Oh, next was aluminum. Aluminum was very, very close. So aluminum was next. Which one's next? Which one's going to be next? So first was copper. Second was aluminum. Third is brass. This one right here. You notice it's gone. Third one is brass. So now we're left with our last 2. We're left with nickel and stainless steel. Nickel and stainless steel. Can you tell which one's melting first? This one again is stainless steel. This one is nickel. which one's going to melt first? Can you tell? Which one's going to melt first? The stainless steel was next. And then in 5th place was nickel. All right, so you can see the results of our experiment. Right, you may see some smoke there from the candle. You can see the nickel right here, where is it? The nickel never melted the wax. There's some stainless steel. All right. All right, so we can even see that metals conduct heat at different rates. And don't forget to record which one you should have recorded your hypothesis, and then also now record the order. If you couldn't get it because it was happening so fast, that is okay. Go back and replay the video, and you can pause the video at any time to record your data. All right, day 3, we're going to be looking at things in your home concerning conduction and insulation of heat. Don't repeat any of these experiments at home without adult supervision. See you on day 3.